Mastering demonstrative determiners. This, that, these, those. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of grammar and talk about a very important part of English language: demonstrative determiners. These little words, this, that, these, and those, play a huge role in our conversations. So, let's get started. First things first. Demonstrative determiners are words that we use to specify whether the things or people we are talking about are near or far, and whether they are singular or plural. They are this, that, these, and those. Let's start with this and that. This is used to refer to a singular noun that is close to the speaker. For instance, this book is mine. In this sentence, the book is close to the speaker. On the other hand, that is used to refer to a singular noun that is far from the speaker. For example, that house is beautiful. Here, the house is far from the speaker. Now, let's talk about these and those. These is used to refer to plural nouns that are close to the speaker. For example, these cookies are delicious. In this sentence, the cookies are close to the speaker. Those, meanwhile, is used to refer to plural nouns that are far from the speaker. For example, those mountains are breathtaking. Here, the mountains are far from the speaker. Now, it's time to put what we've learned into practice. Try to create your own sentences using this, that, these, and those. The more you practice, the better you'll get at using these demonstrative determiners correctly. Well done, learners. You've taken a big step in understanding the English language better. Keep practicing and using this, that, these, and those in your everyday conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect. See you in our next video. Happy learning!